See? Um, well, let's definitely talk about Carlos Martinez real quick. Everybody knows Carlos Martinez has been just kind of hurt, and he's a good pitcher. Let's not start and say he's not. He is a good pitcher. He's just been hurt. That's one of his biggest problems. And how do you overcome that? Do you save him? Do you try to does he start or does he come out of the bullpen? Does he is he a closer? That's what we need to think about because we don't know what might happen in the future. So right now um, the rumors are right now as we speak that he might be coming out of the bullpen, and I think it's actually a good idea. I think it's a great idea. That's just my take on it. Because of his injuries and because they need to save him, and I want him there. They're thinking about possibly building him back up to a starter, and that would be awesome. I think that would be the best way to go um, because of his injury. Of course, there's a lot of people think, well, he needs to be there at the very beginning, which I get it because it kind of feels like we are limited to what's going on. So I get it. I get it. I get it. I get it. Um, but at the same time, I don't want him to be injured. Adam Wainwright is also fighting for a starting pitching spot, which is, of course, uh, a big deal because he's another injured player. He's another injured person that does he start or does he come out of the bullpen? I think, if he doesn't start, Carlos has to start. So we can't have Adam Wainwright and Carlos Martinez, neither one of them starting. Both of them have to start. They have to. There's no if, ands, buts about it. They have to start. So that's what's going on right now. They have something. One of them has to stay completely healthy and start right now, or one's got to go. Like go back to the starting spot. This is my issue when I spoke about it. If you watched week one, week one or week two. I have stated I feel like we needed another starting pitcher. Some fans may agree with me, some fans may not. But I did read that Mozeliak is not interested in getting somebody else. They're perfectly fine with their team as we speak, and I don't know. I'm not for sure about that. I'm not sold. I'm not sold, right? I'm not sold at all. I'm not sold on it because what if one of these two get injured? And I understand that injuries are part of the factor in every team. I get it. But when you have two players that have multiple injuries within the last couple seasons, it's a big deal. Uh, I personally would love Carlos Martinez starting. If I had to choose between the two, if I had to choose between Adam Wainwright and Carlos Martinez, I would I would want that. But I'm not for sure if I'm gonna get my wish. I think it'd probably be more Adam Wainwright starting because he is the veteran, and then Carlos Martinez out of the bullpen. But shall see, because like I stated, this is just a rumor. I'm not for sure if it's accurate at all. And we'll see. So let's talk about some